It don't look like the temples you're used to see in Thailand. The beautiful Isaan. Now we are really out in the countryside. Rice for beef.
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 Oh, food.
Food from beef. Rice from rice.
Christmas songs on the radio in the middle of Isaan in Thailand, in the countryside. That's so wrong. Wrong.
คุณว่าเขาว่านี่นั่นว่าของเขาหนิมาเจ็บปวดวันเน็ตวันมาตะเล่นตะวันเขาว่าเมียจะบวกเรียกปวดเลยอันนี้ไงหมดไปเที่ยวเราต้องว่ายี่เมียแต่ยี่เมียบวกเราแค่นี้ยังไม่นี่นามาหยอดเราอยู่ว่ากระซาก็ยืนเราขึ้นมาเด็กกูวางสิ
And now I'm really out in the countryside of Isaan. Very cheap here. This soup I'm going to eat now costs like
20 บาทวะนะ20 บาท
cost like 50 cents euro.
ตัวหนูไม่มีซิสใส่ไข่ว่าไร
This was really good.
อร่อยมาก
ก๋วยเตี๋ยวอร่อย And finally I'm here in Phnom Rung and this Khmer ancient city of Phnom Rung in Barirun.
Buriram.
Cut in Buriram. This is going to be great. So this is the main point for my visit in Isaan, I think. It don't look like the temples you're used to see in Thailand. This temple is built for the weather directions and somehow I don't know really how it works. And the temple is built with laterite and sandstone from the 10th century till the 13th century. Thousand years old and still here. That's quite amazing, I think. How building can last so long. Khmer people gave this temple to the Thai people and it's a World Heritage now these days. It's 15 doors here and it's built exactly when the sun goes up, so the sun come in here through these 15 doors.
I see something here, but I don't know.
And in the late 11th century, this tower, the principal tower, was built in the Angkor Wat style. Dedicated to the god Shiva. So detailed. And this building called the Banalayan was built to keep religious documents inside, like a library. I really recommend to come here really early in the morning because this place certainly is crowded with people like in the noon. Even if it was 8 o'clock in the morning, it's coming people here. But as I always do when I go to these kind of tourist attractions, I go as early as I can. That's a really good idea. So that was the Phenom Rung, and I really loved it. It's so it's so historical place to go to. But now the tourists start to come here. They wake up a bit later than us, so I think it's time to go for this time. And over there we have Cambodia, about 20 kilometers away.